This is the security flood lights, solar power. There's a solar panel right here. Really good if you need it for patios at night, driveways, walkways, doorways, storage areas, all that good stuff. I like how it's really flexible. You can turn it here. Really easy to install. Just put the mount up. Just use the screw. We actually put in I'm hooking this up to our vinyl fence, to the entryway to the backyard. I don't have any light out there, and it's a little alley out there, so sometimes a little traffic there, so just keep the strangers away. Or if anybody tries to touch our trash cans, this light will pop off. But yeah, really lightweight, nice and sturdy, and all that. You always want to keep your home protected, and lights do a good job of doing that, especially with the little sensor right here as well. But yeah, really good product here, and yes, I recommend it.